Hey guys, this is Market Update. Let's talk about the unbearable underperformance of crypto and Bitcoin right now. I say that jokingly, right? Because I actually think right now is easy mode. This is the easy bit. You don't have to make any decisions here. The difficult bit is when we have a run and we kind of outperform. That's the difficult bit. This is easy mode right here. Let's put to bed, right? Bitcoin is an asset, has a market, and it's one of the most liquid assets in the world, actually. It trades 24/7. It's a really strong, desired asset. So now we just have to figure out what's the growth rate and where's the price in relation to that. Bitcoin is soft right now. This is fantastic. This is the easy bit. Of course, most tourists go home, but tourists don't make money, right? We all know that. Bitcoin's growth rate, so the 200-week moving average, is 20 to 40% a year. This is what this has been growing at. So the next decade, can Bitcoin grow 25% a year? I believe so, right? The Nasdaq's grown at 18, 20% a year for the last decade. I think Bitcoin has that in it. The growth rate has been a lot higher. So you're looking at $1 million Bitcoin in 10, 12 years, something like that. That's pretty easy, right? We're actually in easy mode right now because 10-year time horizon is the least that you can have with an asset like this, right? It's just too volatile, right? So it's retirement funds, everything else. The reason it's easy mode is because we're at the trend. It's easy. Anything under this line, just shut your eyes, buy. I mean, that's as simple as that, right? Up here is kind of the difficult bit because you have to try and ask yourself, are we going to have another run higher, right? Are we going to come up to the top of the range? Should I buy here? Is the growth rate? Because remember, like if the Bitcoin price is high in relation to trend, like if I'm assuming 25% growth rate and Bitcoin's up here, then that's not, you're not buying 25% growth rate Bitcoin. Bitcoin is overdone in relation to its trend, right? I think the trend is 25%. So up here is kind of more difficult because you're like, should I buy it? Is it an 18? Is it a 15% growth rate here? Is that still okay? Should I still buy it? Should I go into the S&P and NASDAQ? What are the S&P and NASDAQ doing? Are they outperforming? Are they a little bit weak, right? That's like way more difficult. Here, it's easy. It's going to outperform. This is great. This is the best price. Up here is the difficult bit. And up here is easy. Sell it. It's overdone. So we're in easy mode right now. And look, if you were buying this bull market, the 2020 bull market, up here again, this price underperformed, right? Bitcoin was way too high in relation to its trend. Way too high, right? Way too high in relation to the trend. That's difficult. In fact, I guess, selling here, right? Because it touched the blue line. So it's pretty easy to sell. So if you sold there, then you've done well, right? So Bitcoin, when it's underperforming, when it's in a bear market, it's easy mode, right? When you buy there, you outperform. It's pretty easy, right? It just takes time and effort and knowing that the money you put in now, you're not going to get payback for that, short term. But you could though. The next bull market that comes around, this could be a 200-300% move, right? But again, that becomes hard mode. Then you have to start thinking, do I want to sell? Do I want to put money into other assets? That's more difficult. You have to shuffle around, right? We're in easy mode right now. If you trade Bitcoin, crypto, TradFi assets as well, you can trade them on Bybit. Link in description. If you click that, sign up, make a deposit, they'll give any deposit that you make a bonus up to $30,000. The thing I'm worried about most is actually missing a big move to the upside when it comes. Well, I'm not worried about that because I'm just fully positioned in all of this stuff. AI, Bitcoin is basically my trade. 10 years, 15 years time horizon. I don't see how it loses. What else is going to replace that? There's nothing. This is it, right? We're in this trade. Things are growing fantastically, fundamentally, right? AI, more demand than supply. That is clearly the future. Self-driving, robotics, space, all of that, NASDAQ index, all of it. I want more and more and more, right? The NASDAQ is doing fantastically right now. It's an all-time high, crazy. Bitcoin has this growth and it's underperforming. So it should, buying here, outperform over that time horizon, given the growth rates and given the price right now. That's when the least people buy, which means the most opportunity. If the war settles itself, this thing's going, right? You have the PMIs, which are still nowhere near a cycle top. Huge build out in the States. If oil prices come down, it's off to the races. Bitcoin now, I think, is acting as a hedge, right? You want to be long AI. That's the trade. You need something to short and hedge just in case there's some war headline. Well, that's Bitcoin. Liquid 24/7. It's an easy trade. But if you've got, for us, we don't trade like hedge funds or family offices, right? We just need to buy and hold something. NASDAQ, great. But Bitcoin, similar or more growth and then an underperformance in the price. That's the bigger opportunity, actually. So as I said, this is easy mode, right? PMIs are soft, they can grow. If the war sorts itself out, you've basically got bears with nothing to do, right? Just got a big build out of all of this stuff, credit creation. It's a bull market. Let's go, right? You've had some outflows for Bybit, but according to this, it is still in the top 2% of all ETFs in net inflows. It's maturing, inflows, outflows, doesn't matter. It's going to keep growing, right? And the liquidity of this, trade it 24/7. That's the important thing. Look at crypto as well. US T-bills, strategy funds, stocks, real estate, tokens. Look at the up and to the right nature of all of this. How you can't be bearish this, right? So this is happening and prices are soft. The fewest amount of people buy here. It's just the way, right? Ethereum, BNB chain, huge amounts of tokenized T-bills happening. It is happening. Don't look at the price to give you the actual alpha, right? You have to figure out what's happening. So tokenization is happening. It's fine. Huge amount of demand coming, and prices are soft. That's a pretty good setup, right? It's kind of like easy mode. Like you don't even have to invest that much. Just slowly buy when prices are soft. Look what's happening, right? So I think this is easy mode. This is great because there's no questions about Bitcoin and crypto, right? It's going to keep growing. It's useful. It's happening. If you trade Bitcoin, crypto, TradFi assets as well, click the link to Bybit, make a deposit. Anything you deposit, they'll give you a bonus up to $30,000. I'm James, this is G. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.